Everyone on social media keeps saying the same thing. Put some cash in bonds. Put some in mutual funds. Buy US stocks. But let me ask you straight up. If you're 23 years old, just starting out, with barely any income, does this advice even make sense for you? Let's say you're 23. You scrape together $5,000 bucks. You dump it into best stock. After a year, maybe it's $5,500. After 2 years, maybe $6,000. At best, $6,500. Be real. Is that going to change your life? Nah. And the worst part? You waited years for pocket change. When you're young, you don't have a money problem. You have an income problem. The stock market rewards big capital, not total beginners. If you're broke on cash flow, investing early just feels busy, but it's slow, quiet, and straight up disappointing. So what should you do instead? Invest in experience. Nah, I'm not talking some fake guru's $997 course. I mean real, hands-on skills, coding, video editing, graphic design, copywriting, content creation, personal branding skills that pay you back every month, not every decade. Here's a simple truth everyone sleeps on. If $4,000 doubles, it's $8,000. Cool, but not life-changing. But if $40,000 doubles, it's $80,000. Now we're talking that it's not just about growth. It's about jacking up the base. If you're 18, 20, or 25, your first job isn't investing. Your first job is to build the ability to earn. Because when you earn more, you save more, you invest more, you grow way faster. Income first, investing second. Stocks are killer, but skills are the real multipliers. Build skills first.